was a service ace there by Di Maculangan. Like I said, matindi ang bola ni Di Maculangan, mabigat, mabilis. Parang serve mo.
Wow.
Oh, naku, ang lakas mag-service nitong si Denise. Ang hirap sagutin.
Going back, we just saw the stats at nakita natin, dalawang service ace yung nakuha nitong RC Cola. But as I say that, Rhea Di Maculangan sends that one to the net.
Oh, ito, isa pang matinding server to, si Kim Fajardo. So this time, RC Cola has to be prepared.
Fajardo finds Morales. Pantino will go to McClinton. A chance now for Meralco. Fajardo will go back to Alessi. Alessi soft hit. Caballejo was there. Pabalik kay McClinton. McClinton block. Covered by Di Maculangan. They go back to Sarah. Sarah power tip. Kim was there. Alessi susubok ulit pero na-block. Now they go back to Liz. And Pantino wasn't ready for that one.
I think Pantino, nagdalawang isip kung kukunin niya yung bola or hindi eh. Kaya
It was a bit high.
Oh, it was a little bit high. Nabasa na niya. Dapat hindi niya kunin. Eh, kaya lang nandun na yung kamay niya na off the arm tuloy.
She is now a target here. Good play.
Yeah, that was a good first ball from Pantino. Bumawi naman siya agad from the previous error. Tuloy, nakagawa sila ng magandang play. Mike Ortiz now concentrating who to give the ball to.
Fajardo goes back to Pulercan. Block. No coverage from Meralco.
Lahat sila nagkumpulan doon eh sa in one area na iwanan yung malaking part ng back. There goes that block. Bumalik. Napakaganda ng block ni Linda Morales. Nobody was there for that ball.
With the reception now. Quick play. Blocked. Fajardo goes back to Alessi. Alessi adjusts. Di Maculangan stops it. Caballejo will set it up. Gets that over. And itong si Macandili at si Cruz nagtinginan.
Kasi di ba rule of thumb, pag nasa kanan mo yung bola, sa'yo yun. So I think what happened there was, since the libero was right there, inisip ni Cha Cruz, kukunin ni Don.
Yes. Fajardo goes back to Pulercan. Pulercan blocked.
You know, basang-basa ni McClinton tsaka ni Morales yung play na yon. Handa sila for Pulercan. At the coverage was there, but nung bumagsak yung bola, nobody actually stretched their arm to get the ball.
Again, they find Cha Cruz. Babalik sila to the outside.
What a hit by Alessi. Ang bilis kasi ng arm swing niya eh. When she goes up for that ball, medyo mabagal. Pero pag inandar na niya yung, yung arm swing niya, that was so fast.
Alam niyo, kahit nakuha na ng Meralco yung first set, si Liz Colercan nakukulangan pa sa energy na pinapakita nitong Power Spikers. Ang sabi nila, gusto actually mag-pull away na maaga, pero ito, down sila by 3. What they have to do talaga, lalo na itong si Mika Reyes daw, kailangan huwag magpaiwan. Kailangan dumiskarte siya sa kanyang mga atake para naman mas madagdagan pa yung kanilang offensive threats. Balik sa inyo.
Thanks, Apple. Alam mo, that's very important. Huwag mong sasabayan yung laro ng kalaban mo. You have to keep your energy up. Kailangan nasa iyo yung momentum all the time.
That's right. And you can start by creating a good serve.
That was a good reception. Si Baron. Pulercan will set it up. Chance now for RC. I thought that was going to be a chance for them to set up a play, pero missed time by Morales.
Enough speed kasi ni Alessi yung bola niya eh. The block was really prepared for a hard-hitting hit. So yung pababa na si Morales, dun pumasok yung bola ni Alessi.
Alessi asking for a play. Pulercan finds a battle this time. Puts us running quick. They find Pantino. Pantino, block. Di Maculangan, goes to Caballejo. Caballejo, soft hit. Macandili was there. Fajardo, babalik kay Alessi. Alessi blocked and gets it over.
Ito si Alessi, no? Smart player. Kung hindi niya yung off-speed, paglalaroan niya yung blockers ng RC Cola. That time, nag-off the block hit siya. napakaganda ng play.
Tsaka tama ka, nakakalito yung palo ni Alessi.
Yeah.
She doesn't really, wala siyang explosive jump, pero ang bilis
Oo.
ng kamay niya. Makulangan, combination play. And Fajardo, Caballero rather, finally gets it through.
That was a good play called by Di Makulangan. Walang nagawa yung floor defense kasi ang bilis ng bola ni Caballero.
Fajardo goes back to the outside. Cruz, and that one outside. And that will bring us our first technical timeout. RC Cola up to 5. For now, of course, we want to go back to the action. Judy Caballero serves it up. Fajardo goes to Cruz. Cruz blocked, and no coverage from Meralco.
Alam mo, every time papalo si Cha Cruz, parang prepared ang blockers ng RC Cola. So now Cha Cruz takes a seat and Paneng Mercado takes her place.
Well, you know, the thing is, kung ganun rin-respeto ng kalaban mo, yung spiker mo, then you should also be ready as a teammate na bumalik yung bola.
Right. Kailangan yung coverage lagi
Yeah.
prepared. Oh, that was a strong ball to the net there by Caballero.
So that's what I was saying ever since the start of the coverage na yun nga ang naging problema ng two teams na to. They get a good point, they get it off a solid blocker, solid hit, pero na ibabalik lang with a petty error. A chance now for Meralco. Oh, sayang. Baron was getting ready for an attack.
Maganda yung ginawa ni Caballero pero medyo nakakatakot dahil it was a controlled hit, tuloy sumabit sa net. Nag-iba yung direksyon.
Yeah.
The coverage of Meralco wasn't prepared.
Kalituhan si
Kulurcan.
and si Marlon.
Kaya important talaga communication,
Yes.
no, all the time.
Fajardo goes to Paneng. Ortiz will set it up. Pantino will get it over. Kulurcan was there. Makandili pupunta kay Alessi. Alessi blocked at the net. Fajardo will go back to Paneng. Paneng soft hit. Saved by Morales. Caballero will get it over. Makandili was there once again. Mercado, a chance now for RC Cola. Running play. Ortiz was there. Makandili saved it. Paneng. That was a good save, but the net violation will be called on RC Cola.
Ang ganda ng galaw ng both teams. Talagang they knew their zones. They were fighting. But that one was, I think that was the last touch there. There was a net violation. Wala namang nag-challenge. So I guess it's clear from both coaches that there was a net violation indeed.
Makulangan goes back to Pantino. Pantino going over Kim Fajardo.
Alam mo, ang RC Cola, mas aggressive sila ngayon than they were before. So kung matuloy-tuloy lang nila to, close out the game, it will work well for them.
Pantino, good serve. Fajardo babalik kay Paneng. Paneng, soft hit, blocked. Fajardo goes back to her. Harder hit, isa pa para kay Paneng, but that actually hits her camera.
I think Kulurcan wasn't really prepared for that ball to go to her. Kaya hindi niya na-direct ng maayos yung bola. But, you know, I have to say, Makandili is really doing a good job as the libero of Meralco. Taking charge talaga siya sa floor defense.
This will be another chance for RC. Pantino gets it. Di Makulangan. Goes to McClinton too low, but gets it over. Fajardo, babalik kay Paneng. Paneng was blocked. And that goes out, so point goes back to Meralco.
Good read there from Alessi. Nakita niya that ball was gonna go wide, kaya hindi na niya, she didn't even attempt to get that ball.
Now serving. Number 4, Stephanie Mercado.
It's a good serve. Okay, he said that. Itong si Paneng, alam niya kung saan niya gusto pumunta yung bola Tina-target niya talaga.
Let's see if she goes back to Caballero, either Caballero or Morales.
Yeah, Linda Morales.
Mercado, 2 attacks already.
Yeah, kay Morales nga.
Back to McClinton. McClinton! And again, it was the same mistake that Macandili and Cruz made earlier. Pero
Yeah.
ngayon kay Mercado naman. So pag ganun ba, Chiki, sa gitna ng dalawa, gitna ng libero, gitna ng isang attacker, sino ba dapat ang kukuha niyan? As we see,
There you go.
Sarah
Dapat-
McClinton, yeah.
Yeah, for me, dapat mas aggressive ang libero nun because siya yung floor defense specialist eh.
Macandili more aggressive with that reception, even with that coverage. Kim Fajardo attacking, nakuha ni Ortiz. Di makulangan, babalik kay McClinton. McClinton, dug up by Mercado. Fajardo trying to save it, but that ball was just too high.
Pero that was good effort Ngayon lang yata ako nakakita ng ganong effort. Ang ganda tingnan. I hope we see a lot more of that.
Kim Fajardo, of course, one of the most reliable players, not just setters, but players here in the Superliga. Good serve from Di Makulangan. Fajardo, he will go to Paneng. Nakuha ni Di Makulangan, soft hit. Can answers back. Caballejo, ibibigay kay McClinton. McClinton adjust. Another soft hit.
And that was a smart play there by McClinton. Hinulog nila niya kasi she figured, you know, all my hard hits nasasagot ng Meralco. How about making it different a little bit? So she goes for a soft. Nobody was there for that ball.
And now, Coach Ramil calling a timeout.
Si anong ba ang tao niya eh? Sino tao niya? Okay, pag si Morales ang tao niya, jetahin mo eh. Si Ortiz ang tao niya eh. Dala ng isip na. Discard yan mo. Let's go. Ha?
One to the team, let's go. One to the team para makaplay.
You know that play, basically yung sinabi lang ni Coach Ramil doon, come up with better plays pertaining to Fajardo. Kasi kailangan alam ng setter, sino ba yung nasa harapan ng kalaban? Sino ba yung blockers? O kung okay, ibigay mo kay Mika Reyes. Kung nandyan naman, kung may babantay kay Mika Reyes, o di diskartehan mo ng ibang play.
Well, you know what? It's not just about knowing your opponent's strengths, but also knowing their weaknesses. Kung
Yes.
sino yung mas mahinang blocker, doon mo padaanin yung bola.
That's right.
Kulangan, nakuha ni Paneng. Fajardo now to Reyes. Reyes finding the goal.
Ang ganda naman ng ginawa. Sumunod agad sa sinabi ni Coach Ramil, di ba? Maganda yung first ball, sinet up kay Mika Reyes. Wala naman si Linda Morales dyan sa harapan. So, lusot yung bola ni Mika Reyes.
Fajardo targets Caballejo. Pantino, ibibigay kay McClinton. McClinton, easy over. Fajardo goes back to Reyes. Reyes dug up by Pantino. They go to McClinton. McClinton with a cut, but that goes outside.
Too much power there from McClinton.
At saka pag nakita mo, talagang nakailalim pa dito si Sarah dun sa bola. So naturally, that ball is going to go up and outside. Kim Fajardo having 11 excellent sets already. Bumalik kay Pantino, nagawa ng paraan ni Di Makulangan. Rock! Good coverage. Si Cola.
Alam na alam ng Meralco no, na ibibigay yung bola kay McClinton. So dapat Di Makulangan has to come up with another play kasi bantay na siya.
Let's see if she can do that. Fajardo babalik. Hindi bumalik dahil hindi pumasok ang bola. So that will send us to our second technical timeout. RC Cola now up 16-12.
Exciting naman kasi yung games natin, di ba? So dapat mo talaga mapanood.
Alessi, again using the blocker's hand. This time, pinadaan niya kay Caballejo.
Si Alessi has gotten her groove. Parang tuloy-tuloy yung puntos niya, no? And I think even sa defense, magandang ginagawa niya. Very aggressive at the net.
Good serve from Reyes.
Ang ganda pa ng ginawa niya. Alam niya na si Linda Morales struggles with her reception, so she really controlled her ball. That's very hard to bring the ball to a frontliner like Linda Morales, but she did it.
Reyes having 2 attacks and 3 blocks already. Too low, nagawa ng paraan ni Caballejo. And over-receive, gives McClinton that chance to get that point.
Yeah, pag over-receive talaga, yun, lalaruin talaga yun ng imports natin.
12, Sarah Clinton.
Clinton, kay Paneng, Fajardo. Babalik kay Kulurkan, soft tip, and it's effective.
What a play! Ginawa ni Fajardo, medyo malapit sa net, so ginawa ng paraan ni Kulurkan. Binagsak niya just behind the blockers, right there. And no coverage from RC Cola.
American serving.
Kulurkan, pumunta kay McClinton. Kailangan quick play. And just too much power
Yeah.
for Meralco, yeah.
Ang lakas kasi naman talaga ng bola nitong si Morales. So kailangan yung pag-block mo rin, may technique din eh, di ba? Para hindi mag-off the block. So the timing there, the hand formation, even your feet, kung saan nakaharap yung feet mo, kailangan lahat yan mastered.
For Caballero and Malaman.
This time, lalabas muna si Viva Kulangan and Caballero pumasok, bumalik.
And the Semana
Semana
serving.
and Yonko. Semana. Anis.
That's a good floater there from Semana. Rochelle Sison wasn't able to control her ball.
Alam ni Wendy Semana, bagong pasok. Ito si Season.
Oo nga, kaya siya yung tinarget.
Team serving 15.
Let's see if she does that again.
She does it again.
Alessi block. Kept alive. Fajardo will go back to Baron. But well read by Morales.
Si Morales kasi napaka-active, tsaka kabisado niya yung net. Alam niya kung paano mag-block. So when she's in front, the place of Fajardo has to be tricky for Arcicola to respond to.
Ano sa pwesto din ang malas yung ginagawa ni Joy? Joy, ganun din. Nakatagilid ka sa block, tayo makikita yun. Okay?
We're playing really bad. Let's come back here. We
So,
got
no, kaya pa yan. No? Di ba lang?
5 consecutive guys.
Ano?
Hey, let's take this game. No let ups. Just like in practice, guys. Let's start with a good pass. Good. Hey, what's up? Cover parate, ha? Geraldo, power!
Yun nga, no, in that timeout, sabi lang ni Coach Ramil, reminding the players, harapin nyo ang block, don't get intimidated. And then, you know, ito si Jack Cruz was saying, come on guys, let's start with a good pass. And Kulurkan reminds them also, let's not let up because, you know, they got the first set.
And we gotta remember, it's just 5 points. So tama, ang iksi, ang konti lang ng lamang at kaya pa talagang habulin.
So ito si Semana concentrating. It seems like she's gonna target Rochelle Sison again. So Rochelle has to be prepared. The concentration.
Semana. Babalik nga kay Season. Alessi power tip. Nakuha ni Abanton. Chance now for Meralco. Season to Fajardo. Back to Alessi. Alessi was block coverage. Was there. Paneng hits, but that is gonna hit the corner, and that is another point for Meralco.
Alam mo yung palo ni Mercado wasn't the strongest, pero the placement was so perfect. Everybody thought that it was gonna be long, mag-outside na siya. Kaya Abanto didn't even try to go after that ball. Yung pala, pasok na pasok.
Sumakto dun sa kanto.
Oo.
As we know, volleyball is not all about power.
And if you've got a tall blocker in front of a shorter setter, delikado talaga yung mga bolang mag-over sa net.
Yes, they have to have a good receive. Not to mention the fact na maliit si Semana, backliner pa.
Correct.
So, mahihirapan sila talaga. That is gonna go outside. So, a free point given to Arcicola.
Too much power there from Demasilio. Itong si Demasilio, she's got, tatlo sila magkakapatid and they're all named Sid. Parang Sid and then another second name. That's why their business na Lechon Manok in Cebu is Sidalicious.
Well, that is, I think that's delicious also
Yes.
for Meralco dahil binigyan sila ng libreng puntos. Itong RC Cola.
18 serving 21.
Mary Joy Baron. She's getting ready to serve. 4 attacks already. Now she targets Pantino. Semana goes back to Pantino. Adjust. Reyes. Paneng. Paneng was blocked. Semana was there to cover it. Yonko goes back to the outside. Pantino gets it over and gets that point for RC.
At ang ganda naman ng pagiging aggressive ni Pantino. She's not the tallest of hitters, but kung lumaban, look at that. She's a little bit far from the front line, di ba? Far from the net, but the power of that hit did the job.
Pantino finds Season. Fajardo trying to attack. Yonko sends it over. Easy ball. So a chance for Paneng. Paneng hits it, but dug up by Morales. And a violation, a double violation will be called on Wendy Semana.
Sayang yun, no? Maganda sanang magiging play. So ngayon, si Paneng Mercado goes up for Meralco. She tried to score from the service zone.
Paneng pumunta kay Abanto. Semana. Pabalik kay Sarah. Sarah dug up by Rochelle. Just at the net. They go to Culurcan. Culurcan getting that over. Abanto was there. Semana goes back to McClinton. McClinton hits the block and no coverage for Meral.
Oh, ang layo ng coverage for that ball. So now Caballejo is in, back in, and Dimaculangan back in for Arzicola. Iya Yonko and Wendy Semana to take their seats.
Coach Aying wants 3 attackers once again. So binalik niya na si Dimaculangan.
Oh, kasi 2 points na lang, they get the set.
Rhea Dimaculangan already having 10 excellent sets. Good serve. Good reception as well from Season. They go to Culurcan. Block. Abanto keeps it alive. Easy over now. Chance for Meralco. Fajardo goes back to Culurcan. Culurcan not getting that over.
Parang dumulas yung bola sa kamay niya eh, no? Kaya yung bagsak ng bola sa net, ganon.
I think she was trying to go for a slice. Pero mali nga. Tulad sabi mo yung tama ng bola.
Serving for set point.
So set point now for RC Cola. Good serve. Good reception. They go back to Mika Reyes. Mika finding that open area and getting that point. Keeping Meralco alive.
What a power tip there from Mika Reyes. Alam niya kung saan dadali ng bola. Wala kasing coverage. There goes that setup. She pushes that ball to zone 4. Walang tao. Pantino's there but a bit late.
Oh, that's outside.
And that's it for the second set. Arcicola wins it 25-20 because of that service error.
So there you have it. First set, 25-21. Second set, 25-20.